Hello student, today we are going to see Mealy machine and Murray machine. So first of all we are going to see the Mealy machine. So the definition of Mealy machine is defined as capital M is equal to there are total 6 tuples in Mealy machine, that is capital Q, summation O, delta, lambda and Q0, where capital Q is nothing but set of finite state. Summation is defined by input symbol. O is defined by output. Delta is defined by transition function, where summation Cartesian product of capital Q, which gives you output as a capital Q. Next one is lambda. It is nothing but input symbol Cartesian product of number of state, which gives you an output O. Last but not the least, that is Q0, which is nothing but initial state from which we are starting our Mealy machine. So student, these are the 6 tuples which we are going to see in Mealy machine, and we will design the Mealy machine by using these 6 tuples. Let's start with the first example of Mealy machine. So the example today we are going to see: design a Mealy machine to generate one's complement. As you know that one's complement, where it is on given binary number. So binary numbers are defined by 0 and 1. If students, you are giving this as an input, you will get an output as 1 and 0 respectively. So let's start with the string. Which kind of strings we are going to see? So here it is 0, 1, multiple zeros, multiple 1. There will be combination of 0 and 1 which starts with 1 0. Next is start with 0 1 1 0 1 and so on. So student, let's start with this, how we are going to solve the Mealy machine. So as in definition we have seen that the lambda, which says that summation into capital Q, which gives you an output O. So here there is a difference between Mealy and Murray in the form of lambda. So here the question is given, that is one's complement, where we are going to involve input symbol capital Q, which gives you an output O. So if I am giving 0 as an input, I will get 1. If 1, 0, multiple zeros as input, then we will get multiple 1 and so on. So let's start with this. So Mealy machine we are going to draw. So here it is Q0. It is the initial state. That's why I'm putting an arrow over here. Okay. So student, here it is given that if I'm giving input as 0. So okay. 0 means if I will draw 0 as an input which goes to Q1 state, then you will get an output as 1. So always remember student, in Mealy machine, this is the input and this is the output. If you are giving 0 as an input, you will get 1 as an output. But this is only for single 0. What about if there are multiple zeros in a string? So this is only for single 0. So this method is wrong. So what we are going to do? We are going to rub this, and here instead of putting arrow from Q0 to Q1, we will put self loop over here. Why? Because there are not a single 0, there will be multiple zeros, single, double, triple, and so on. So if I am giving single 0, then I will get here 1 output. So see here, single 0, this is nothing but input and this is an output. So if I am giving 0, I will get 1 as an output. 0 with 1 output. If I am giving here double 0, so you can see single 0 with that output 1. Again second 0 with an output 1, and so on. So this is only for whom? It is for 0. Same we can do with 1. So for this same, as if it is applicable to 0, same we can apply it to the 1. So again put here self loop, give an input as 1, student, you will get output as a 0. So again this is not only for single one, it will be for multiple ones. And what happened if there are combination of zeros and 1? If you are taking 1, you will get an output 0. Second 0, then you will get an output 1. Second 0, again you are getting an output 1. Then 1 as an input, then you will get output 0. If it is 0, you will get output 1, and if it is 1, you will get output and 0. So hence we have solved the ones complement for the Mealy machine. Thank you.